For years, the public believed death row was the final stop. Once you were there, the story was over. But one case connected to California's most notorious prison, Pelican Bay State Prison, proved that assumption dangerously wrong. In the 1990s, an inmate was sentenced to death based largely on questionable testimony, jailhouse informants, and evidence that later raised serious doubts. There was no DNA match, no physical proof tying him directly to the crime, yet the system moved fast. No programs, no sunlight, minimal human contact. While the state considered the case closed, something critical was happening on the outside. Journalists began re-examining the trial. Defense attorneys uncovered withheld evidence, information the jury never saw. Witness statements began to fall apart, and experts questioned whether the original investigation had been shaped more by pressure to secure a conviction than by facts. After decades behind bars, appellate courts reviewed the case again. This time, the outcome was different. The conviction was overturned, the death sentence was vacated, and eventually, after years of legal battles, the inmate walked free. This wasn't just a release, it was an indictment of a system that allowed confirmation bias, prosecutorial misconduct, and unchecked prison conditions to coexist. The Pelican Bay case became part of a larger reckoning, fueling reforms around solitary confinement, evidence disclosure, and wrongful convictions across the United States. Because the most terrifying truth isn't that mistakes happen, it's that without accountability, they repeat. And sometimes, freedom comes only after a lifetime has already been taken. If stories like this matter to you, stories that expose the truth behind the justice system, subscribe, like, and comment below.